Welcome to the tutorial how to calibrate your EINSTAR VEGA. Step 1. Preparation. Ensure you have a calibration board and a bracket holder. Check the surface of the calibration board is clean and free of scratches. Ensure the numbers of the calibration board match those in the calibration board settings of the VEGA. If not, you can enter the calibration board to scan the QR code and bind them together. Place the calibration board on a flat surface. Make sure the ambient lighting and the temperature are good. Calibration includes two parts: HD calibration and the fast calibration. Step 2. HD calibration. Hold the VEGA without blocking the projectors, cameras, optical components, and the ventilators. Ensure there are no grease, dirt, or fingerprints on the camera side. Swipe down to the top menu and find Calibration. Enter the calibration interface and click Start Calibration. Hold VEGA parallel to a flat surface and align the cameras to the calibration board. Ensure the ambient lighting is naturally soft. If the light is too dim or too bright, please adjust the LED brightness slider on the left to a proper level. Keep a proper distance and slowly pull the scanner up towards the calibration board and then capture the circles on the screen one by one. Ensure the camera is focused on the center of the 4 large markers. Next, place the calibration board on the bracket holder as instructed. Repeat the steps. Follow the instructions, rotate the calibration board, and repeat the process again. Step 3. Fast calibration. First, flip the calibration board over. Second, fast calibration requires a larger distance, which means the calibration board should be positioned lower than it is for HD calibration. Please be noted that if the last circle appears hard to capture, just try to slightly narrow the angle between the VEGA and the calibration board. After the process of generating calibration result is finished, a notification will appear. Click Apply to confirm. VEGA will restart automatically if the calibration is successful. Calibration data will then be written into the VEGA. You can always check the last calibration time in calibration settings. We recommend calibrating weekly for optimal performance. If scanning issues arise, please consider recalibrating first.